Alright, for the engine start checklist, canopy is closed and latched.
Okay, I'm going to just check mine again, closed and latched with the light.
Navigation anti-collision lights are on. Let's see, PMU fail status annunciators are extinguished. PCL. 1, 2, 3, start ready. Propeller area is clear.
Clear.
And starter switch. Auto reset. Engine instruments monitor. 4 green lights. Rotation. Fuel flow. Light off. Hydraulics are green. Oil temperature is green. Four green lights. Oil pressure is green. N1, max ITT was 612. External power.
Disconnected.
Roger, disconnected. Engine start auto checklist complete before taxi checklist. Generator switch is on, annunciator extinguished, 28.1 volts. Bleed air inflow is norm, evap blower control is set, air conditioning is on, avionics master on, oxygen mask on secure.
On, secure, on, normal, good blinker.
On normal, good blinker. Setting the fuel balance. TAS.
TAS, system test, okay.
Test, norm, standby. Standby attitude indicator, uncaged and adjusted.
Uncaged and adjusted.
Anti-G, checked.
Checked.
Speed brake. Speed brake light is on. Flaps landing. Flaps landing, speed brake light is out. Flaps takeoff. Flaps set to takeoff. Speed brake remains up. Turbine switch is on. TD lights out. Rudder is in the green. GPS.
Getting it programmed and set in the back.
Flight instruments are checked.
Checked.
RMU, we've got Maverick preset, VHF channel 4 and primary channel 5 in standby. Altimeter or transponder 0134 standby, VHF nav 117.2. Set. Altimeter 0,
7 left, wind at 090 at 12, clear for takeoff, change departure.
Caution warning panel clear.
Clear.
Lighting taxi lights on. And parking brake released before taxi checklist complete. Taxi checklist. Transponder, standby, nose wheel steering, on, brakes. Brakes are checked, do you have the controls?
I have the controls coming forward. My brake's checked, you have the controls.